Hello, home bosses. Have you ever thought about taking something you already know or love and turning it into an online income? Imagine actually making money from the comfort of your own home. Maybe it's a hobby like crochet or knitting or working out. Maybe it's a skill you've built over time. Or maybe it's even something you've been through personally, like a health challenge. That's exactly what I've been doing for years, and today I'm going to share with you my 5-step framework for turning your ideas into income. It's simple, it's practical, and it works no matter where you're starting from. Now, if you've been following me here on the Home Boss channel, you'll know that I usually talk about self-publishing. And don't worry, that's not going anywhere. Publishing is still one of the best ways to build income online, and I'll continue sharing everything I know about it. But today I want to zoom out and show you the bigger picture, because publishing is just one part of the same framework I've used over and over to create different income streams from home, and I think you'll find this really useful. My journey with this goes back quite a long way. I first had a bakery shop, which turned into a sweet shop, and then I created a school teaching English as a foreign language, and over time I built it into an academy where I taught English, French, and German alongside other teachers. And years later, I tried something completely different, and I started a jewelry business online. After that, I created a blog about my garden, which I loved writing, and that blog eventually led me to discover self-publishing, which completely changed my life. Now I get to teach other people how to do it, which in a way feels like going back to my roots as a teacher. I've always loved showing people what's possible and giving them the tools to do it for themselves. And that's how this 5-step framework came about. It's the same path I followed myself in different industries, and it's the same process you can use to turn your own ideas into income. And here it is in a nutshell. First of all, find out what you know. Create content around it. Then build an audience. Then build your email list, and then create your first offer. So let's walk through each one of these together. Step 1 is find what you know. This is where everything starts. Look at what you already know or love or are going through. It could be a hobby. Maybe you love crochet or gardening. It could be a skill you've learned like design, teaching, or marketing. Or it could even be something you've struggled with, like health issues or parenting challenges, where you can share your journey to help others. The point is, you don't need to be an expert. You just need something you can create content around. And step 2 is create content. After that, start sharing it. Choose a platform that feels right for you. YouTube, TikTok, Substack, Instagram, wherever you're most comfortable. Don't worry about being everywhere. Just focus on showing up consistently and sharing value. Even just on one platform, that is enough. Your voice, your personality, your unique perspective, that's what makes people stay. And step 3 is build an audience. As you share, you'll start to build an audience. But here's the important part. Don't just focus on the numbers. It's not about going viral. It's about building trust and connection. When people feel they know you, like you, and trust you, they'll want to learn more from you. And don't forget, we all start with 0 followers, so don't let that put you off. Step number 4 is build your email list. This step is crucial. Followers are great, but social media is borrowed land. Your email list is something you actually own, and it's the cornerstone of building an income online. The easiest way to start is create a freebie, a checklist, a logbook, a short guide, something simple that helps your audience. I can tell you from my own experience, my email list has been the foundation for every income stream I've built, from publishing to courses. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: start your email list early. And step 5 is to create your first offer. Once you've built trust and started your list, it's time to create your first product. This doesn't have to be huge or complicated. Start small. It could be an ebook, a digital download, a simple course, or even a live workshop. And here's the most important thing: done is better than perfect. My good friend Keith Wheeler always says this, and it's true. You learn so much more by putting something out there than by waiting until it's flawless. It's always going to be imperfect at the beginning. That first product is the start of something bigger, because once you've done it once, you can do it again and again. So that's the 5-step framework. Find what you know, create content, build an audience, build your email list, and create your first offer. It sounds simple, and it is, but simple doesn't mean it's easy. It takes consistency, it takes patience, and it takes belief that what you know and love has value. I'd love to know what idea comes to mind for you. What's something you already know or love that you could share with others? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like this framework in a simple PDF guide that you can print and keep, I've created one for you, and I've added a worksheet that helps you find your next idea. You'll find the link below. Remember, it all starts with what you know and love, and that's how you turn ideas into income. Create and prosper, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching The Home Boss, where ideas turn to gold. Every page, every story, another dream unfolds. The Home Boss, create and prosper, don't count